Hello and welcome to my first building a mock series, building series, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm going to be starting a mini mock from start to finish and show you each step of the process I take to make it. So I think that's quite interesting. If you don't care about that, then cool. I guess don't watch it. But if you're interested, then check it out. Let's go. I've set out just some general plates, put them together. I've decided to go for a freeform mock here and just gone for quite a irregular shape just to build on top of. Obviously I'll sculpt the corners a bit better, but as for now this is the general shape. It doesn't matter what colours these are because they're all going to be built over. Okay, I've decided to go with dark azure as my main colour, just because it's different. And I've just got to put these big 2x4s to hold the mock all together. I think what I'm actually going to do is maybe remove this one and have like a path running through the bottom. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now you can see I've spelt all my light azure all over the table. And I've started making a path design, putting some rocks to like better connect it to the actual main surrounding dark azure. So yeah, looking good. Let's keep going. So next I'm going to work on more flattening out the land, and then I've got these pieces over here to make some like rocks on top of it. Should look good. Never mind, I decided to do a bit more detail quite along the path, so it's more like just straight, although it might look a little bit too straight, but I'll see how I feel about it when I put down the rest of the blue. I think it actually looks alright as a path. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I just got off of SW Bricks and Figs' live stream, which I went on for some reason, so you might have seen me on that. But in the meantime, I've decided to make this like more ridged up, so it's more like a valley than just a plain, because I think that just looks more interesting if I have enough dark azure bricks to get me through, which I'm not sure yet. But I do have more coming in a bricklink order, so that might show up. So it'll show up soon, so hopefully this won't be too delayed by that. Delayed for too long, even. So now I'm going to start going around. Because I don't have that many plates in dark azure, I've got a lot more in like just regular medium azure. Is it medium azure? Might be, whatever. So I'm going to go around in that plate instead as my base, so I don't have just the green showing, because that looks bad and this looks much better if I just do it like that. So I just place them around that, then seal them on with dark azure. And I'm just using regular blue as filler for the inside. So therefore, if it does peek through a little bit, it doesn't look that bad, and it all flows quite nicely together. Or I might even use this as like the tops. That's quite interesting. So like I've just thought of an idea right now. I'm gonna like top the build with more of these dark blue, so it's like a layered canyon. Yeah, that's really good. Let's do it. Okay, so we've had another revision and a change. Now it looks like I'm gonna, as I said before, I'm gonna go with more of a canyon design. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shade of blue, this light blue, this medium azure color. Then move into my dark azure color for the bulk of the mountain, and then just top it with a nice layer of just regular blue. Just have like a real like canyon design into the valley, and then maybe have some like a vehicle up here or some like figures running down this pathway. So yeah, this is pretty much all of my usable medium azure bits, because otherwise I've just got these like panel pieces which are not very useful, with these round plates, or these like wedge plates, but those are not very useful to me at the minute. Yeah, so let's move on to whatever comes up next. So in the next after the next edition, you can see that I've put down a lot of the dark azure bricks to make a mountain and a bit. Basically what I've realised is I don't have as much dark azure as I thought I did. That's pretty much all of the dark azure I have left, and none of that is like actual proper bricks. These I guess I can use as like details, but I don't want to build up on them. Like I don't want to like stack 3 and put them up, because then they'll just look awkward with the rest of it. So what I think I'm going to do is actually split this into a 2-part video, because I need to order more dark azure 1x2s. Not too many, but just a couple, just to like finish off this. make it a little bit taller, and just clean up this. I think what I've decided is that instead of just going for a full valley, I'll just have like a mountain and then more just like a bank. And then maybe put some like other little details on this, and then throw some minifigures or some vehicles in or whatever I'm going to do. I don't know if it's going to fit that many vehicles, but yeah. And maybe some more details on this path that I've got running through the middle. So yeah, that'll be the part 2 where I can finish this properly. So this part 1 is just like the foundations and the general gist, and the second can be more detail oriented. So thanks for watching this first part, part 1 of 2. This shouldn't take longer than this amount of time again. This in total is about 4 hours worth of work from when you first saw me put down those green base plates to now. Yeah, and I'm quite happy with how this is turning out. So I'll see you in the next time for whatever comes up. Once again, I don't have a name for this planet. If there's a planet like this in Star Wars that's this color, that's just like, this isn't supposed to represent water, it's just meant to represent land that is blue. Like, it's not meant to be underwater or anything. It's just like Geonosis is orange land, this is blue land. You know, that kind of thing. So I'll try and search up if there's any Star Wars planets that have blue just land. If not, I'll just come up with a random name and that'll be the title. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this and want to see more things like this, or just more Star Wars or not even Star Wars, just mock creations, maybe subscribe, leave a like and a comment, tell me if I can improve this in any way, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye.